What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we will be installing these brass Injora diff covers on my SCX24. So as you can tell, we're missing a little something. One of my wheel or my hub extenders fell off, so I got to order that, but I have these put on in the meantime. So we're going to get started. So first of all, you got to take your Allen wrench and take off, oh it's kind of dark, but these 6 little bolts here on the front and back. So we're gonna start with the rear. Alright, and just like that, you got it out. So, be careful to make sure you take out these bearings, because those have to go in the new diff covers. And make sure you keep track of which screws are which, because the top ones are the longest and they get shorter as they go down. So, we're going to take out these bearings and put them in the new brass diff covers. Correct myself real quick, these come with new bearings in them, so you don't have to take out the old ones. And there we go, we got the rear half done. So, pretty much all you gotta do is just take out the old screws and put in the new ones, and it looks pretty good. I would have liked to get it in black to match it a little bit more, but that wasn't as heavy. This is like, I believe it's like 30 or 40 grams a piece, so that's pretty heavy for a small truck like this. So now we will start on the front. So on the front here, it is a little bit harder because of the steering links in the front. So either you have to take them off or just move your wheels so to access them. The proper way to do it is to take them off, but since I'm not really feeling that right now, I'm just going to move them out of the way. So we're going to do that, and then I will show you what's underneath. Alright, and now that that's taken out, you pretty much just repeat the same steps as the old one. You pop in the new bearing, and then you screw it in, and then should be good to go. It's kind of a tight fit to get it out, but you should be able to do it. I revoked my earlier statement, because this one is so much wider, or thicker I meant, you will have to take off these steering links. Pretty much all it is just one screw there, another one over there, and then for this, it's just these 2 on the front. Alright, so I'm not sure what it is, but these top 2 bolts don't seem to want to go in, so let me know in the comments if you're having the same problem. Alright, so what I figured out is I forgot that the servo mount is also screwed in by the top bolts, so just make sure that that's in place and they should go in easier. And just like that, we have all of our parts installed. So, thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.